Okay, welcome back, and we're on to the next part, which is going to be to add some plywood to the roof. So what we'll do is grab these pieces, right click, and let's hide unselected, and then we're going to start building some plywood sheets. And plywood that we're going to use here is going to be a 4x8 sheet, so we're going to make this 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. And plywood is usually ½ inch. Okay, let's right click, convert it to an editable poly. Let's put our gray material on it, and let's drag it up. Okay, let's drag it over, put it into position, and then drag it up in this view, and then zoom in. And we're going to grab vertex mode, and we're going to drag those vertices so that they're sitting right on top of these beams. As soon as my computer gets done thinking. Excuse me. So let's grab these vertices, pull them down slightly, just so they're sitting on top of the beam. And now let's grab the whole thing, pull it back even with the end of the beam. Okay, now let's go into the top view, and let's shift and drag a copy out, and we're going to make 4 because we need it to be 20 feet wide. So let's grab all of those, drag them over so we have a little overhang on either side, like so. Let's grab them all again, shift and drag, second copy. Okay, and let's move those down into position. Okay, let's zoom in, just make sure we've got this lined up properly. Let's go here. Let's drag these pivot points back a bit so we can move this. Okay, let's just move it forward a bit, get it right into position, and then let's zoom out, zoom in here, make sure it's sitting properly, which it is. Okay, next, let's just grab one sheet here, and we need another one, so let's shift and drag just one more copy out. Okay, let's move it into position as well, and move it over just a touch, get it even with the other one. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to zoom in, let's grab these vertices, and let's drag them back. Okay, because we only need about a foot there. Okay, zoom in here, grab those vertices, drag them up, even there. Good. Now we're going to shift and drag again, drag one over, get it nice and even, and then 4 copies, and there we have our plywood sheets covering the roof. And then you'll see underneath here that we're going to need some 2x4s right along here, okay, and then a 2x4 across this way, probably several 2x4s in here to support the roof so that we can nail the plywood onto it. Let's just right click, unhide all, and there we have what we have so far. We're getting there. And so in the next one we're going to continue on by adding the 2x4s to the other side of the roof and plow on from there. Okay, hang in.